So now that we have our pivot table ready and we have our fields selected, we may want to represent some of this information in chart form. And one of the very handy tools that exists within pivot table is pivot chart. So we can generate this chart in our pivot table analysis tab and by selecting pivot chart. Then this menu will appear and it will give us the option of selecting what type of chart we want to pick. So if we were to say we want to pick a pie chart, this will automatically insert here. So here I have a chart that represents all of the values by salesperson. So each of these values represents one of the salespeople. And as I look at my pivot table and as I filter my pivot table here, this chart will automatically update. So if I filter my pivot table and I filter in just Michael Smith, I'll get just Michael Smith. Likewise, if I filter just Orla Flynn. So as you update your pivot table here, this pivot pie chart will automatically update. And we can also filter in the actual chart itself. So under here I have salesperson. I can select just the salespeople I want returned, or I can select just the sales by product. So I can say I just want to know how many markers each salesperson sold. Again, this will just filter out the information, and this will just filter out the information and bring it that it's just bringing in the product that we specify here. So again, and we can have multiple charts at the same time. So we can insert so again we can add a